Hello, and welcome back to Crypto Maways. I hope things are going well for you. Make sure to watch the video all the way through to the end to learn something you would have never guessed. Also, please like and subscribe to this channel for much more similar content, and leave a comment about your favorite cryptocurrency in the comments section. Let's go into more detail. Kiyosaki is a Bitcoin maximalist who has recently become very vocal about his views on Bitcoin. In a recent tweet, the 74-year-old endorses gold, silver, and Bitcoin as safe haven assets in the event of a global financial market crash. Kiyosaki stated in a tweet, "The best time to prepare for a crash is before the crash. The world's largest crash in history is on its way. The good news is that the best time to become wealthy is during a crash. The bad news is that the next crash will be lengthy. Get as much gold, silver, and Bitcoin as you can while you can. Take precautions." On numerous times, the renowned author has stated his concerns about the present financial markets, repeating his view that the markets would see a catastrophic crash in the future. He endorsed Bitcoin again in a tweet last week, stating, "And biggest bubble in world history becoming bigger. The biggest crash in world history is on its way. Purchasing additional gold and silver. I'm waiting for Bitcoin to fall to $24,000. Crashes are the ideal moment to make rich. Take precautions." Let's go more depth. Bitcoin holds $30,000 while Kiyosaki expects purchasing Bitcoin for around $24,000. The price appears to have stabilized at or above $30,000. The current price is $34,200 as of Monday. Following China's recent restriction on Bitcoin mining, the Bitcoin mining hash rate just reached a 13-month low. However, Bitcoin's price looks to have stabilized for the time being. Adoption is growing. While Kiyosaki supports Bitcoin as a store of value alongside gold and silver, governments and corporations continue to consider Bitcoin as a viable asset for risk diversification and as a store of wealth. Recently, Mexican millionaire Ricardo Salinas Pliego advocated for the usage of Bitcoin in the country. According to Pliego, his bank is striving to be the first in the country to take Bitcoin. Here are Kiyosaki's 10 best interview quotes, lightly modified and simplified for clarity. The very first of these is, "The next crash is essentially an avalanche waiting for the last snowflake to fall. Since 2008, the federal government has done nothing but pile more debt on the mountainside, waiting for the next snowstorm to fall. It will be the largest crash in human history." The snowflake analogy was attributed to Kiyosaki by the economist and novelist Jim Rickards in his book Currency Wars. The second statement is, "They train you to go to school, obtain a job, and to work for this trash. I simply compare this rubbish to gold, silver, and Bitcoin." Forecasting that the US dollar will become as worthless as the Zimbabwean dollar and claiming that gold, silver, and Bitcoin will retain a considerably greater portion of their value. The third is, "I started with a $10,000 bet. I'm still in the money, and I'm glad it's going down so I can purchase more." On Bitcoin's price falling from around $60,000 in April to around $34,000 now. The fourth is, "What will happen to the banking system if the yuan becomes crypto, the dollar becomes crypto, or the Fed coin becomes crypto? That is the most crucial question you can ask right now." Debating the potential consequences of central bank digital currency's fifth statement, which is his perspective, "I don't have any stock. I'm not a fan of stocks. Because I am an entrepreneur, I am not required to own stocks. I create my own assets, such as the Rich Dad firm, which is a global brand." Warren Buffett invests in brands such as McDonald's, Gillette, and Coca-Cola. The sixth and most encouraging is, "Don't be an employee, I tell the young people. If you become an entrepreneur like Bill Gates, Elon Musk, or other famous people, you will become extremely wealthy. But if you're going to sit and play the stock market, you might as well play Bitcoin as well." The seventh is, "Create a business that thrives during crashes, booms, and busts. Young people should not attend school and then work. They should become entrepreneurs and capitalists, establishing firms that provide employment." The eighth is, "Get out of debt, say the other knuckleheads. Live a debt-free life. Every time I have the opportunity to purchase real estate, I borrow as much money as I can. I believe I owe roughly $1.2 billion. I generate millions of dollars in cash flow each month and pay no taxes because the tax system rewards people who use debt. Everything you learn in business school is nonsense. The ninth is, the real folks, like Trump and me, are in debt up to our ears and don't pay taxes. That's what we teach, and it's not what everyone else does. The final one is, I'm not arguing that having a stock portfolio is correct or incorrect, but there are other options. Simply open your eyes and see how the wealthy continue to amass wealth. Robert Kiyosaki made these 10 statements. I attempted to make it clearer by mentioning it in points. We go over the specifics and knowledge behind his most recent tweet, Bitcoin is collapsing. That's great news. I'm getting set to buy some more. Remember that the issue isn't Elon Musk or Bitcoin. The Fed, Treasury, and Biden are the issues. The solutions are gold, silver, and Bitcoin. Take precautions. There's a reason why Bitcoin crashed when the stock market didn't. Stay tuned to learn how you may profit from the Bitcoin sale and what it implies for you. We hope you enjoyed the video, and if so, please leave us a like and a comment below with your views on the issue. This concludes today's discussion. I hope you found the information you were looking for. If you enjoyed this video, please share it. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on your favorite cryptocurrency below. With that, we've reached the end of today's video. Have a good day.